everyone, and welcome back to the 12 Days of Christmas. Remember yesterday I made my little snowman and I showed you those pictures right here of the, I guess they're outdoor pigs. And so I dismantled them. So I had 4. So I got 2 of the truck, Santa driving a truck, and 2 with the trailer. Loving this. So what I'm going to do is construct this into a card holder and or napkin holder to put all your Christmas cards or your Christmas napkins when the day comes when we can have friends over. So to create my box to hold my stuff, I got Richard to make me a little box. I thought I had one. You could use any size little box as long as it fits within the parameters of your trailer or your truck, because it's just going to glue on there and it's going to be the container that holds stuff. It's that simple. So this one, though, if you're going to make it out of another cardboard box, which he did, is 6 1/4 wide by 5 1/4, and it's 4 inches high. And then this little piece he had to make extra so that it would fit, like, you know what I mean, slide in there. And so now I'm just going to glue right here on the corners and that little flap thing and make this an actual box. So now I've got my boxes glued together because I have 2 of them here. And so what I'm going to do, I have some of that, more of that chalk paint, and I'm not sure why I bought green and red, but hey. So I think I love this bright red. It's so bright and cheery. But I might also do one in green and one in red. Just why not? You know, because I have it. So I'm going to take a foam brush and whip these up. I was painting. I forgot to show you guys this is my Hallmark Christmas movie watching mug. And I watch movies while I'm crafting in the in-between parts, while I'm painting the boxes or doing something that is really boring that you wouldn't want to be watching. But I got a Hallmark Christmas movie mug and I love it. I think you can order them on Hallmark.com. I'm not sure if that's how I got mine. I know my niece lives in New York and she has one, and when I saw it, I had to get one. So, yeah, so fun. Okay, this is how our box turned out. Pretty good. That chalk paint is great because, 1, it covers really well, and 2, it dries so fast. So now we're going to take our little die-cutty shapes or whatever, and we're going to glue the box on them. Now remember, we're going to put both good sides up, the right sides up, because you might have a tendency to do one this way and one this way, but we're going to do the right sides up. And if it has, if you're going to use it on the table or something, just make sure that that other side is against something, or you can cover it with Christmas wrap or something like that. So I'm going to do this, lay my box on the side, and I'm going to line it up with this first edge here, just like that, so that when I flip it over, I get it in the exact right place. And then I just press down just to make sure it's all adhered. There. Now we're going to do the same thing on this side. So let's see. Our right sides are up. That's right, Monica. Don't forget. Right sides are up. Because you just have, I don't know, it's just in our nature to put one side down. So we're going to do this right there. So it's exactly the same. And I took a paintbrush or some tool just to make sure, like I tapped both of them so that they are exactly in line. So that when you stand it up, it's where it should. It has a lean because it's only on 2 wheels. It's like it's been parked in the driveway. So now what I'm going to do, I've got these 2 trees. I just bought so much stuff at the Dollar Tree, and I wasn't sure what I was going to do with it. So this one, I want to put it somewhere like leaning on the back, kind of like that. But I don't like this plastic gizmo, so I'm going to wrap this up and glue that all around and then glue it in there. So it just looks something like that. Just roughly wrapped, just to hide the plastic gizmo. And then I'm going to glue it on the back. Okay, so here's our finished little vehicle. So we've got our truck with Christmas cards in the back, in here. And the Christmas tree on this one is in the front. And look at how cute that is. I mean, come on. And then we've got our trailer. And it's on a lean because it's supposed to be, you know, it's a trailer. And then I put some Christmas crackers in there. So hope you guys love these. I sure do. I think they're so adorable. Don't you guys think your elf would love a little elf-mobile to drive around in? I sure do. Or to camp in. Just saying. So much fun. So easy. Very relaxing to sit and craft with, watching a movie and painting and crafting with you guys. So I hope you like them, and we'll see you all tomorrow.